There are literally so many people in this world who are doing much better things that I am doing on YouTube. I mean, I don't know. I'm not able to do it. I feel like giving up. I've just put out 2 videos on my YouTube channel and I feel so demotivated and I feel so discouraged that there are people who know much more than me in terms of the content I create self-help content, but there are a lot of people who are doing much better work than me. They are creating much better content than I am creating. Why would someone want to watch the videos that I am creating? I mean, I feel so I am really self-sabotaging myself at this point of time, and I feel so discouraged and I feel so demotivated. There are a lot of people I watch on social media, and when I look at their content, it's so much well structured. It is so motivating and it is so meaningful. But when I look back at my own content, the things that I am creating, I don't have a good camera, I don't have good lighting, I don't have good content. I am not putting the things to I'm not putting the things to use that I am learning from these social media creators. I'm just putting out content that I know is right, but I myself am not able to apply those things on my life. How will someone learn from me? Why would they even want to watch things from me when I myself am not perfect? I am in the most self sabotaging phase of my life. This is the most lowest I have felt in the past 2 to 3 months. I was entirely into working on myself, completely pushing myself beyond my own capabilities, and things have worked out really well. But even after putting in so much effort, I don't see any outcome. My videos are still stopping at 20-25 views. Only one video crossed 100 views and it's about to reach 200. Hopefully it will reach 200 views soon. But what about the other videos that I'm creating? What about the efforts that I'm putting into like I have just created 2 videos on this YouTube channel, but I have a second channel where I put in, vlogs and everything. What about those videos? It's been 2 weeks since I uploaded this one video and it has still got only 5-10 views. I mean, what is the point of putting in so many efforts but I'm not getting anything in return? I know you guys too might be feeling something relatable. Like, even after putting consistent efforts for the past 2 to 3 months, this is the outcome that I have got. And it feels really self-sabotaging and it feels really very depressing. And also it has really broken my own courage, my own motivation. I feel lost. I was supposed to sit down to work on my next YouTube video, like creating the content, planning the whole thing. But right now when I'm sitting here, I was searching about what I'm supposed to make. I saw multiple videos that I have already created on my second YouTube channel, and then I saw videos that what content creators are actually creating on YouTube, and I felt, bro, I'm nowhere close to it. I am not creating the right videos, and I feel that no matter how much efforts I put into it, I will still not reach that level. I'm literally in the middle of an existential crisis right now, to be very honest. And even though as I speak, I feel that I have lost all confidence. You can see how much I am stammering while speaking to you. This is not planned at all. This is entirely impromptu. I've just placed my camera there and I'm talking to you guys and I'm just expressing my own feelings, how I'm feeling right now. Because I want to come out as clear as possible, and let me tell you that what people show you on social media or on YouTube or whichever platform you guys follow these content creators, things are not as smooth and not as happy as they seem to me and seem to be on the platforms. And this is something that took me a lot of time to realize, that no matter how much efforts you put into a certain thing, at the end it is always that you will be having a low phase, and right now I am in that low phase wherein I am feeling that I'm not worthy of all the goals and all the dreams that I have planned for myself. I am literally at the end of the 8th month of this year. I have achieved a lot of goals that I had planned for this year, but there are many goals that are yet to be achieved, and the condition I am in right now, I feel I'm not capable of any of them. After looking at all of these thoughts that I have in my mind, after analyzing all of them, and after seeing from which place they are coming from, I'm sure they're coming from the place where I know that I am putting in my 110% efforts, but I'm not able to see any results as of now. Don't know about the future. But it's just that I have tried my best to be consistent, but consistency is not rewarding me at this point of time. And you might be thinking that why is she feeling so sad? I have already only posted 2 videos on my YouTube channel, but let me tell you, I have been doing YouTube for the past 3 years, since 2021. That was when I started creating content in the first place. Why? Because I wanted to document my life and show it to myself when I turn elder and when I become the dream woman of my life, who I wanted to become back then in 2021. Now when I go back to see all those videos, I really laugh at them and see that how much efforts I am putting into it, despite realizing that I don't know a single thing about video editing or even recording the videos or even placing the camera in the right position. Yet I used to do it only because I wanted to do it and I wanted to stay consistent, and I had put in the right amount of efforts, and I just wanted to put myself out there for my elder self to watch that content whenever she feels sad, whenever she feels disappointing, and maybe for situations like these in which I am right now, where I am completely and entirely self-sabotaging. But despite putting in a lot of efforts, even then I tend to give up at that point of time in my life also, because again I got many things and I got new interests. But anyhow, I have ended up creating a lot of content on that channel as well, and that only happened because of my urge to document my life and because of my own urge to travel the world, see the things around and create content. The only basic reason why I continued YouTube was to document my life and to maybe put out content and show you guys, or maybe the people who are watching my videos, that what life I am living, to maybe somewhere in some corner of the world sees those videos and just gets motivated out of the blue. Even though that content is not as good as it should be, but what if it motivates, it inspires someone? And if not that, I don't care. At least that video is out there on the channel and I can go back to it whenever I want to. This was the basic reason why I was creating YouTube videos on YouTube in the first place. And I started this one YouTube channel to put out my learnings in this universe, put out whatever I have learned throughout my teen years and throughout my college life. I am almost at the end of my 4th year, and trust me, this entire 4 years of college have been a huge amount of learning. And well, I feel, even though I'm feeling so much demotivated at this point of time, the people who watch my videos, even though they are the ones who I already know, they are the ones from my own family members or from my own friends, when they watch my videos, they really find it highly motivating and filled with value. My friends really call me up and say that it was a good video and they really found some value in it. So I guess I should not be going about with the numbers and what all things people are commenting on below my videos. It's all about putting in the right amount of efforts for the people who actually value it. And you never know when your video or when the content I am putting out there, or whatever steps you take, then it, gives it back to you and to the society that you are living in. And you know what? Even though things are going absolutely amazing in my life, I am on the top of my routine. I am literally finishing all of my college work on time. I'm doing every single thing, though I am not going off to bed early and yeah, I like waking up early, but at least I am putting in the right amount of efforts to balance the things in my life. I am in the middle of an internship right now, so I am working part time along with my, so I am managing four major things right now. One is college, second is my YouTube channel, third is my internship, which is a part-time internship that I am continuing right now. So I work after I come back from college for 5 years, for 5 hours, from 6 to 11. And after that, in the middle of all this 9 to 5 college and then 6 to 11 internship, in the middle of it, whatever time I get, I put and invest it on my startup Lootlay. I am putting in little efforts, taking small steps every single day towards my startup and of course my YouTube channel. So yes, I am following and I am taking steps every single day to reach my goals. And when I have already come so far, I don't think there is any point of going back at this point of time. I'll still continue doing whatever I want. I don't care if I'm getting results or not. I will still continue to do it. I will still put in the right amount of efforts. I will not put down the quality of my content. I will not compromise on any single thing. I will continue focusing on these four major things because this is something that I've always wanted to do. And if I give up right now at this point in my life, I will regret it later. And this is what I've always done. Each time I give up on my YouTube channel, I tend to restart it each time, only because I feel that YouTube has a lot of potential and I have so much to offer to this world. And only to respect that one decision of mine that I take each time I try to decide on to give up on YouTube. And I have given up on YouTube a lot of times. You can see my second YouTube channel that is there for the past 3 years. I have put a variety of content up there and there is no consistency in the videos, which clearly shows that I am in my own, I'm so confused if I actually want to pursue YouTube or not. But only to fulfill my goals of hitting 1K subscribers by the end of 2024, I will continue to do it no matter what. Even though I don't achieve my goal, at least I will not regret it later, I will not regret pursuing the things later. Because if I give up right now, I know at the end of 2024, when I'll see my classmates, working towards their dream jobs, getting their dream jobs, working in their dream companies, at least I will be proud of myself that at least I put in the right efforts. At least I did not give up on my goals for the year. I don't care if I achieve them or not, but at least I would be satisfied in my own self that I put in the efforts to achieve them. Achieving or not is a different thing entirely. So yes, through this video I am putting it out in front of the universe today, that universe, even though you bring big challenges in front of me, even though you bring self-sabotaging situations in front of me, no matter whatever situation or challenge you bring in front of me, I am not giving up at this point of time. I will keep going, I will keep putting the efforts, and I will keep producing content no matter of what quality it is, no matter of if I am feeling very much confident or not. I'll keep faking it till I make it. And I don't care about the results. All I care about is the process and the journey that I am going to take, and I am in the middle of pursuing. So this venture is all that matters to me, and this entire journey is all that matters to me. So yeah. This is my self motivation, and I'm gonna get back on track right now. Sit and decide the content for the next video, and then we are good to go. So for the people watching this video till now, till the end of this, if you have reached till this point of time, I really want to tell you guys that no matter in what point, in what situation, or at whatever in the middle of something you are at this point of time, I don't want you to give up. This is such an impromptu video. I'm not even getting the right words to talk to you guys. But if you are understanding the feelings, and if you relate to what I am right now, if you relate to what I am going through right now, maybe you actually understand my feelings, and you know that what self-sabotaging feeling is and how you feel in the middle of that. And through this video, I would just like to tell you that do not give up. It does not matter if you fail in this, because fail just stands for first attempt in trying. So that is exactly the meaning of fail, that you actually give up. क्या बोल रही हूँ मैं? See, again, this is what is pushing me down, that I am not even able to speak and talk to you guys properly, and I am out here to try and make a whole YouTube channel. But no matter what, even though I don't speak the right things, even though I stammer a lot of times, and even though I end up saying stupid words at lot of places, and I have a million things going on in my head right now while I'm talking to you guys, I will still not give up, because I have my goals to achieve, and I am supposed to be answerable to myself at the end of this year. And if I do not put in the right efforts right now, I know I will regret myself, and I will be complaining, and I will obviously be scolding myself for not pursuing my dreams and for not putting in the efforts. So if you are watching this video, this would only be my suggestion to you, that you keep putting in the right amount of efforts. No matter what goes wrong, no matter how much in a difficult situation you are, if you have planned onto something, if you have decided on to putting in the right efforts to some goal, if you want to achieve something in your life, no matter if it's a short-term or long-term goal, keep putting in the efforts to achieve it. Do not care about the result, because even if you fail, you will learn something out of it, and you can improve it the next time. And universe is not so cruel that it will not give you what you want, especially when you are excessively desperate to achieve that goal. So you need to bring out that desperation from within you, and make universe realize that, universe, I am highly desperate, and I have made the decision to achieve this in my life, and I want you, universe, to conspire it. I want you to make it a reality. You need to put it out to the universe. You need to be in very good terms with the universe with this thing, and you need to be clear that yes, this is what I want, and this is what I want to achieve, and I am doing the right efforts every single day to achieve it. Now I don't know about any single thing. You are supposed to make it happen, and trust me, things are going to align just the way my thoughts are aligned right now while I tell you this. I feel too motivated, I feel too good right now. So there has been a huge shift. You look at me in the beginning of this video, and you look at me now, this is the mood I am in right now. There is a striking contrast, and trust me, this is what keeps me going. This zeal, this enthusiasm, and this rebellious nature of mine to get what I want, no matter what is going on in my life. I don't care what people think about me, I don't care what results would be, and I don't care how much I lose or gain through this. All really matters is for me to follow my dreams, to work towards it no matter what. And trust me, I am working on this YouTube channel. I will keep creating content, I will keep producing videos, I will keep putting in the right amount of efforts, no matter what situation I am in. Even though I am feeling very low, even though I am feeling very in the middle of a big underconfident self of mine, even though I'm self-sabotaging myself, I will keep faking it till I make it. So well, yeah, And right now I am not faking it. It is coming from within. I am telling you exactly what I am feeling right now. These are my thoughts without any filter, without any cuts. These thoughts are coming directly from my mind, and I am putting them in front of you clearly, without any filters, without any edits. So yes, so let's end this video right here. If you got motivated through this video, do let me know in the comment section below. And now I'm gonna sit down to work on my next video, which you will definitely see when it comes out the next week on this YouTube channel. So stay tuned and do let me know how you motivate yourself when you are at the lowest of your moods. Well, yeah, peace out.